Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be making a simple sleeve with my free hand. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. I started by folding the material into 2 folds. The length of the sleeve I'll be using is 10 inches. So I marked 10 inches. Then I use my ruler to draw a line across. My round sleeve is 14 inches. I divided 14 inches by 2, which gives me 7, plus 1 inch seam allowance, then I marked. I came down by 4 inches from the horizontal line. Then I made a curve just as I'm doing in the video. So I used my tape to measure round the armhole. This gives me 26 inches. I divided 26 inches by 2, which gives me 13 inches. Then I marked 13 inches on the curve. Then I used my ruler to connect the 2 points together. I used my scissors to cut out the marked line. Now I look for the midpoint, which gives me 6 inches. Then I went in by 0.5 inches. I made a curve connecting the new points. Then I used my scissors to cut out the new line. To easily find the middle of the sleeve, I gave a notch with my scissors. Now the final result, I indicated the front and the back. The front will be attached to the front armhole of the dress, while the back will be attached to the back armhole of the dress. Hey guys, thank you for watching.